Says beef fillet, sitting for about 10-15 minutes. Tries to change like non-stop, and then it stops. Right now it just stopped. And they're just testing it again like crazy. Really am so confused with what's going on here. While they're getting frustrated, they're leaving the queue as well.
Trouble than you can shake a stick at. What's that? Who am I? Why, these whippersnappers don't know a legend when they see one. You're lucky I ain't got time to teach you some manners. The name's Cranky Cow. I'm the oldest and most respected member of the Common family. Was I? Yeah, I hear you squawks. The trouble is the Tiki-Tac tribe.
Oh, really?